Introduction. Street food is more than just a quick bite. It's a vibrant tapestry of culture, tradition, and flavor that connects people around the globe. From the bustling night markets of Bangkok to the colorful food stalls of Mexico City, each destination offers a unique culinary adventure that reflects its local heritage. These dishes, often crafted with love and passed down through generations, tell stories of the communities they come from. As we embark on this journey through unforgettable street food experiences, we'll explore the diverse flavors and ingredients that make each dish special, highlighting the essential role street food plays in shaping cultural identity and preserving culinary traditions worldwide. The allure of street food captivates both locals and travelers with its accessibility and affordability, making it an ideal choice for anyone seeking a delicious meal on the go. These culinary gems often feature authentic flavors and local ingredients, allowing diners to experience the true essence of a region. For many, the thrill of discovering a hidden food stall or a bustling market is part of the adventure. Street food enthusiasts often share stories of savoring spicy tacos in Mexico or indulging in fragrant pho in Vietnam, highlighting the joy of connecting with local culture through food. This blend of convenience, taste, and authenticity makes street food irresistible for all. Iconic street foods around the world. Street food is a delicious reflection of cultural identity, with iconic dishes that tell stories of their origins. Tacos from Mexico, for instance, are not just a meal. They represent a rich culinary heritage, often filled with vibrant ingredients and flavors. In Thailand, pad thai showcases the perfect balance of sweet, sour, and savory, embodying the country's love for bold flavors. Meanwhile, banh mi from Vietnam combines French and Vietnamese influences, featuring a crispy baguette filled with savory meats and fresh herbs. Each of these dishes holds cultural significance, serving as a symbol of community and tradition. Visuals of these street foods being prepared and served bring their stories to life, enticing food lovers everywhere. Street food markets, a culinary journey. Street food markets are a feast for the senses, bursting with vibrant colors, enticing aromas, and the lively chatter of vendors and customers. The atmosphere is electric, especially in places like the night markets in Taiwan, where stalls overflow with delicious snacks and local delicacies. Similarly, Borough Market in London offers a blend of traditional and modern street food, showcasing the city's diverse culinary scene. Each market tells its own story, inviting visitors to explore and savor unique flavors. For anyone passionate about food, experiencing these markets firsthand is essential. The immersive experience of tasting, smelling, and interacting with local vendors creates unforgettable memories that go beyond just a meal. Health and safety in street food. While street food is a delightful culinary adventure, concerns about safety and hygiene are common. To choose safe and clean vendors, look for stalls with high customer traffic, as popularity often indicates quality. Pay attention to the cleanliness of the preparation area and the vendor's personal hygiene. Local knowledge is invaluable. Asking locals for recommendations can lead you to the best and safest options. Reputable vendors prioritize food safety, often following strict hygiene practices and using fresh ingredients. Many also display health certifications, providing reassurance to customers. By being mindful and informed, you can enjoy the vibrant world of street food while feeling confident about your choices. Street food fusion, a modern twist. Street food is experiencing an exciting evolution as traditional dishes blend with modern influences, resulting in innovative fusion creations. Take Korean tacos, for example, which combine the bold flavors of Korean barbecue with the convenience of a taco, creating a delightful culinary experience. Similarly, sushi burritos wrap fresh sushi ingredients in a large tortilla, offering a portable twist on a classic favorite. This creativity in contemporary street food reflects a growing trend where chefs experiment with flavors and techniques, pushing culinary boundaries. For those inspired to join the fusion movement, why not try making your own street food fusion at home? It's a fun way to explore flavors and create unique dishes that reflect your taste. Conclusion. In this video, we explored the diverse world of street food, highlighting its rich cultural significance and the unforgettable experiences it offers. From iconic dishes like tacos and pad thai to vibrant street food markets, Each bite connects us to local traditions and flavors. The joy of exploring street food goes beyond just satisfying hunger. It's about immersing ourselves in the culture and stories behind each dish. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more culinary adventures video if you enjoyed it, and share your own street food experiences in the comments below. Let's celebrate the delicious world of street food together.